How accurate are the alternative methods for measuring 1 cup of flour without a measuring cup?
Hello and welcome to our Kitchen Hacks series. Today, we're diving into an essential baking topic, measuring flour. What happens if you don't have a measuring cup on hand? Don't worry. There are alternative methods you can use that are fairly accurate. Remember, precision is key in baking, so let's discuss how to keep our measurements as precise as possible, even without a traditional measuring cup.
The spoon method.
One alternative method is using a regular dining table spoon. This method, while not as precise as a measuring cup, can still be quite effective with a bit of care. Here's the simple rule of thumb. There are approximately 16 tablespoons in a cup. So, you would need to use your tablespoon to scoop out 16 even tablespoons of flour to get close to a cup. Now, be aware that the accuracy of this method depends on how you fill your tablespoon. If you're scooping directly from the bag and leveling off each spoon, you're more likely to get a fairly accurate measure. But, if you're heaping the flour on the spoon or not filling it up all the way, your measurements could be off.
The weight method.
Another alternative method to measure flour is using a kitchen scale. This method is actually often preferred by professional bakers due to its precision. 1 cup of flour is generally equivalent to 120 grams or 4.2 ounces. If you happen to have a kitchen scale, you can simply pour your flour onto the scale until you hit the correct weight. This method allows for a very high level of accuracy, often more so than using a measuring cup or spoon, because it is unaffected by how compact or aerated the flour might be.
The hand method.
If you have neither a tablespoon nor a kitchen scale, don't worry, you can still measure flour. This method is the least accurate of the three, but it can work in a pinch. An average adult's fist is roughly equivalent to a cup. To use this method, fill both of your hands with flour. Remember, this method is not very accurate, so if the recipe depends heavily on the exact amount of flour, like in many baking recipes, you might want to avoid this method. There you have it, 3 alternative methods for measuring a cup of flour without using a measuring cup: the spoon method, the weight method, and the hand method. Remember, while these methods can work in a pinch, nothing beats having the right tools in your kitchen for accuracy and consistency. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this kitchen hack helps you in your culinary journey. Happy baking!